Hi, I'm going to try to demonstrate here a feature I have never seen before on a Smith Corona typewriter. It's called the label clip. It's a piece of the platen, and I'm going to insert a tiny piece of paper into these two metal clips like that, roll it into the machine, and see how it holds the paper? It lets you get closer to the top of the paper than I've ever seen you be able to get before. Let me just show you that. Oh, focus. Okay, again, this is a 1965 Smith Corona Sterling, and you can find the part in the parts catalog that Ted Munk publishes. I've just never seen this before. It's a great little gizmo.